When trying to determine regular and irregular bowel sounds, you should first listen to the oscillation of the abdomen before you palpate around the vital organs in each quadrant. When listening to the abdomen, normal bowel sounds that should be heard would be clicking and gargling anywhere from a few times to a dozen times every minute. Abnormal sounds would be increased pitch tinkling sounds or rushing of water, and or potentially absent sounds could be due to food allergies, diarrhea, or because of Crohn's disease, along with any other possible internal injuries.